Hello everyone, welcome to the third tutorial of Information Technology for class 10. Today we are again continuing with the third chapter, that is word processing software, and today we are going to discuss about the topic headers and footers. The first term is headers. To understand term, we are going to take one example of an online document. This is a PDF file I am having. You may be having some hard copies of books with you. There you can find the examples of headers also. So see this PDF file over here. At the top of this page, we are finding page number written over here. Name of the book. Name of the book is also displayed over here. And you will find a graphic, a picture is also viewed over here. And when you are going to scroll down this file, see, on most of the pages, now this is an odd page, that was an even page, page number 2 it was, this is page number 3, and here you can also view this page number over here. The name of the chapter is written over here and then a graphic is over here. Again I am scrolling down this page. Now we reach to a even page over here and it is similar to the second page. Here page number is written, name of the book is written, and then a logo is printed over here. So basically such types of text and graphics are known as headers. So basically what are headers? They are certain text or graphics which are inserted on the top margin of your page and they are displayed on every page of your file. So they are known as headers. In the same way we have the footers. What are footers? They are the text or graphics which are inserted at the bottom margin. So in the same file we can see the footers also. So I'm again scrolling down my file and here it's the footer area over here. Here year is printed 2020, then chapter 1 and then index something is printed over here, and then the date and the time at which this file was created, that is written over here. So if your contents are displayed at the bottom margin, they are known as footer, and if the same contents are displayed on the top of the page or top margin, they are considered as headers in Word. Now how to apply headers and footers to your files? So let's see it practically. So now I'm switching to the Microsoft Word over here. This is your Word screen and this is your page, and this is your top margin. You see this ruler line is here and the gray portion from this portion to this portion. Let me mark it with some indicator. This portion to this portion. This is a gray box, you must be able to see, and here also some gray portion. ये जो portion होता है ये margin कहलाता है. This is your left margin and this one, the area from here to here, this area, this whole area comes under the category of top margin. So this is your top margin and this is your left margin. ये जो हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस पे आपको ग्रे पोर्शन दिख रहा है ये आपका लेफ्ट मार्जिन होता है, और जो यहाँ पर दिख रहा है वर्टिकल रूलर लाइन पर जो टॉप पर आपको ग्रे एरिया दिखता है, दिस इज कंसीडर्ड एज योर टॉप मार्जिन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू प्लेस आवर कंटेंट्स ऑन टू द टॉप मार्जिन ऑफ द पेज. पेज पर पहले मैं कुछ लिख लेती हूँ. मैंने यहाँ पे लिख लिया दिस इज माई पेज, दिस इज माई फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ द फाइल. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक सम मोर पेजेस ओवर हियर बिकॉज जो headers and footers होते हैं, there are certain text and graphics which are printed on each page of your file. You don't have to insert them on each page of your file. Suppose your file contains 100 pages, so that will be inserted only once and displayed multiple times. So I'm making more pages over here. And how to make pages? So I'm making a page break over here and then I am writing this is second page. I'm just printing one messages over here, fifth page. You can see total number of pages in my file is 5. So I have created 5 pages over here. Content is very less, don't go for that. So I am having all these pages with me. Now what I am going to do, I am going to insert headers and footers. So from where to insert headers and footers? So you have to move on to insert group first. Sorry, insert tab first. This is your insert tab. Click on to the insert tab and then move on to the headers and footers group. It's given over here. So you are finding this headers and footers group over here. So we have to move to this option, and from here I want to insert my headers. So for inserting the header, I am clicking on the header option. As you are going to click on header option, you will be getting multiple options over here. Blank headers, headers with 3 columns. Then we are having headers with document name, then title. So many options are here. You can select any of the predefined options, or you can move on to any single option. The moment you are clicking on the header option, you will be finding that your toolbar is changed. Your ribbon is totally changed. So you're getting here header option, footer option, page number option, date and time if you want to insert document information, author name, file name, and if you want to insert pictures, anything can be inserted as headers. So I'm writing here information technology, and then I want to insert a picture over here. So for inserting the picture, I'm clicking on this pictures option over here, and on my desktop I have kept one picture over here. So I will be selecting this picture. It's bigger in size, more than the top margin. So I'm reducing the size, so it's inserted like this. This is your header area. Now we are switching to different pages. मैंने यहाँ पर page down key press किया. This is my second page. You see, I have inserted my header and footer onto a single page, and they are displayed on every page of my file. So this is header. For inserting footers, again we have to opt the same way. We will be clicking on the insert tab, and then we will move on to the headers and footers group over here. So we are going to click on this insert tab, and then we are going to move on to this headers and footers group over here, and this is a footer section. Just click on this footer option, and as we are going to click on footer option, again predefined footers are available over here, and from here we can choose any of the options. I am selecting the option page number. So as a footer, we will be finding page numbers in our file. So you see on the first page it is written page 1, and now I am going to reduce the size of the pages so that I can get multiple pages on my screen, so that you can see them together. Yes, see the header. The headers are repeated on each page of my file, and in the same way footers are also repeated. See page 1, then this is page 3, this is page 2, page 4, like this. We are having this headers and footers repeated on our pages. So like this, headers can be inserted only once and can be viewed for multiple times. For as number of pages you are having, that much number of times it will be repeated over there. Then we are having two more variations with headers and footers. You can provide a different header for the first page of your file. So I am selecting this option, different first page. I clicked over here. The moment I clicked over here, the header and the footer of the first page is removed. Means I can set a different header or different footer for this particular page. And for that I am just writing the name of the chapter over here. That is word processing. And as a footer I am going to insert date over here. So I have placed my cursor over here, and then I am clicking on date and time. So date and time will be printed over here. So I will be getting a different header and footer for the first page, and for the rest of the pages it will be different. In the same way, we are having second alteration with this command, that is different for even and odd pages. The way in which the example we have seen just now on that PDF file, it was having a different header for the first page, different header for the even page, and different header for the odd pages. So for this purpose I am just switching on this option, and as I clicked over here, you see the even pages headers have been removed from here. Footer पे तो as it is आ रहा है. So अब even page पर मुझे क्या करना है, I want to print the name of the chapter over here, and on odd pages I want to print the name of the subject. So I am writing word processing. Here I have written, and as an author I just want to print my name over here. So I want to print my name on each page of the book. So I have printed my name over here. So you see, on every even page I will be having the same headers and footers. So even pages will be having same headers and footers, and odd pages will be having same headers and footers.